welcome back to my channel. It's your girls Fallah Fashion. Welcome new family members, welcome to the family. I hope everyone is doing amazing. So I didn't post on Saturday, but I don't know if you guys can hear my voice clear. I think I had a cold, not a cold, but I was like sneezing, runny nose, all of the above, so my voice was completely gone. That's why I didn't post. Now my nose is running, and okay, but this is a lot better than last week. Oh my god, I was enough. So last video that I posted was back to school, college or university level, right? So today is something different. I'm naturally gonna do that because I told you guys it's gonna be in 3 different levels, but today is enough. Let's skip on that. So my collection is finally available. All right, so I have like literally, let me show you guys something really quick. Can you guys see all of that? All those bags, and also I have few outside, and where's my lighting? Okay, I have few outside. So if I say I'm gonna sit here or stand here and show you guys the whole entire thing, I'm gonna go crazy and y'all gonna go crazy with me. So I decided to do this into breakdown. Okay, so today, because in my whole, in business you have to have a lot of variety, different options. So I have t-shirt, I have shirts, I have dresses, I have prom dresses, I have casual clothes, I have shoes, I have jewelry like necklaces, I have earrings, I have bags. So I decided to do this with each category. So since I'm wearing tops today, just all the crop top, I'll show you guys a little bit of all the crop tops. The next video I will do, and I have robes, sleeping robe and sleeping cap and regular cap. Actually, let me wear one of the regular cap. This one. So I have this one. So I'm gonna so like I say, this video is gonna be very breakdown. I'm not gonna try to do everything at once. So today I started with the tops, right? So I'm gonna show you guys all the tops that are available, and if you guys really love it, please check out my business IG. You guys could actually, you don't have to order, you don't have to buy anything, but you could just check it out and see what I'm talking about. I already posted quite a few bags, and I've been doing a lot of photo shoot, a lot of photo editing, and I posted quite a few bags and quite a hat. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you? Wait, you know what? Okay, better. Can you guys see that? Okay, so like literally I already posted a few, so take this time if you want to have it and check it out what I posted already. And I'm doing like, you people that have business actually knows what I'm talking about. It's a lot of, it's like giving birth to a child that you have to watch grow from A to Z, but instead this is something that you have to put all your time in. So enough talking, let me just show you guys the tops that I have. If I could find some of them. This one, this one, this is a dress. We ain't gonna show. This one, this is Kate's shirt, but just like regular top. It's like that. That's tops anymore, but guys, look, all this. Oh, here. And then, no, you guys won't see that. Oh. And this one, wait. And the good thing about this is that you could wear it like this, like that, okay? Or you could wear it like this. So you guys seen a bit of it, which is a little interesting. So the video today is just that, is little bit of breakdown, and it's all gonna be section by section. I'll show you guys dresses, regular dresses, prom dresses will be later on, and also everything. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys on Tuesday, and then I'll show you guys the shoes. I'm not showing everything because it's too much. If you guys want to see everything, check out Fallah Fashion on IG if you want to order right there. And also one thing though, this is like a little bonus. Anyone from my YouTube here that orders something, please indicate that you watch my videos, which video you watch. I'll give you a discount on the orders. Like literally you get discount. And shipping, I recommend you get more than 1 or 2 items. If you're gonna ship a lot, it's good to spend more money that's worth of just spending one item. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys on Tuesday with maybe shoes or maybe back to school. So I'm like in between. Bye. Like, you know that Fallah love you, but she doesn't love you as much as you love yourself.